entrepreneurs! Lagi po kaming nakakatanggap ng mga messages sa mga gustong mag-start ng business pero hindi alam kung paano. Ano nga ba ang first step? Parang ang hirap. Wala akong idea paano magsimula.
Well, this video is for you. Here's our easy step-by-step guide on what to expect and what you need to prepare to start your food business.
Step 1. Identify your market. One of the most important part of putting up your own business is to identify your market. What's a business without a customers anyway, right?
Yeah. So, who are your targets? What are their preferences? Of course, sa lugar mo, meron ng mga nagbi-business. You have to check kung ano pa ba yung mga food and drinks na hindi pa nila nabibenta. Isa pa, who are your targets? Students, young professionals, kids? Once you get to know them, mas madali na for you to get an idea kung ano ang perfect food na isi-serve sa kanila. For example, if your area or potential customers are mostly young professionals, then a cafe or coffee business will be perfect. At kung mostly bata ang mga customers mo, then an ice candy business might be perfect for you.
Bakit pa kailangan natin ito gawin? Because by getting to know your customers, mas madedetermine ninyo kung paano ninyo pipresyohan ang inyong mga ibibenta. We also have an explainer video available for this. But before watching this video, let's check if how are we going to compute the pricing of our product.
Let's go to our step number 2. Identify your budget and compute for your costing. Magkano ang kapital na nilabas mo for your business? Sobrang dami ninyong pwedeng pagpili ang business packages from inJoy.
Pero kung ang problema nyo ay budget, you may try installment option like Shopee Pay Later or S-Pay Later. Malaking tulong ito sa inyo because it will allow you to order your products without having to pay immediately. With Shopee Pay Later, you don't have to worry about your staggered payments dahil for sure, kumikita na kayo with your inJoy products. Pwede nyo na rin makompute ng mas madali ang potential earnings ninyo with the tracker on our website.
Now, let's proceed to step number 3. Pag-aralan ng recipe para siguradong masarap at babalikan ng customers. Siyempre, isa ito sa mga important steps in putting up your food business. People will buy from you because of the taste and experience. Mapa milk tea, milkshake, ice scramble, or braised fries, sobrang dami mong pwedeng matutunan na recipe ideas. Super easy and convenient. Here are some of the video tutorials that you can watch and will help you to get ready for your opening. Kompleto na ang tutorials, kayo na lang hinihintay!
Aside from the product itself, it is very important to have a presentable packaging. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, before we eat, pinipicturean muna natin ang food lalo na kung ito ay enticing and presentable tingnan. Pwede tayong gumamit ng mga styled cups, straw, and lids. These milk tea equipments and supplies are available online. Madaling hanapin at siguradong marami kayong makikita. Once nakuha nyo na ang saktong lasa at presentable na ang inyong products, makaka-expect kayo na ang customers nyo na mismo ang magmamarket nito para sa inyo through word of mouth.
Now, for step number 4, plan your store opening or launch. Now that your products and recipes are planned, pwede ka na mag-plan for your store. You have to strategize whether you are doing a home-based one, meaning you will market online or magtatayo ka talaga ng physical store.
Kung nagsisimula ka pa lang sa business, it is normal and practical to start your business at home. Pwede kang magbenta sa mga kapitbahay mo and sell it online as well. But if you are putting up a physical store, it is very important na planado at alam mo kung paano ito i-present. Points to consider when putting up a physical store. Saan mo ilalagay yung preparation area? Who will man the cashier? Will there be seats available for your customers? And how will you decorate the interior of your store? For interior decorating naman, marami na kayong makikita nitong styles or pegs nito online.
Aside from this consideration, it is very important to ask yourself if there are enough customers willing to purchase within your store location. Malapit ba ito sa schools, workplace, or terminals? Ito yung important things to take into account before opening a physical store. And for the step number 5, kailangan magaling ang marketing and promotions nyo. Kahit gaano pa kasarap ang products mo, if you don't promote it, then no one knows about it.
These are some ideas to get you started on your marketing. First, share the story on why you started your business. Are you a milk tea lover? Were you looking for a delicious coffee in your area but you couldn't find one? That's why you decided to create your own. Meron kaming hashtag Kwentong inJoy na nagsimula ng business because of this reason.
Second, share opening promos and discounts for your target customers. Be fun and creative. If your customers are mostly students, maybe you can get student discounts or discounts on their finals week. Ang mga ganitong sharing ideas ay siguradong maaalala kayo ng customers nyo.
Third, take attractive photos for your marketing collaterals na pang-post mo sa Facebook and Instagram page mo or pang-flyers and tarpaulins dahil ito yung una nilang makikita. With milk tea or milkshake business, your picture should be appetizing with just the first look. Yung tipong nasa picture pa lang, alam mo nang sobrang refreshing at nakakatakam. Parang ganito.
Give free taste to your friends and families just to get started. Sa kanila pa lang, makakakuha ka na ng honest feedback at magagawa mo na kagad ng adjustment. And isa pa, families and friends will help you to promote your business.
And lastly, for our final step, step number 6, legalize your business. It's time to start to make your business official. And these are the two main documents that all small business or business owners are familiar with. DTI registration, Certificate of Registration from BIR. You can also check this video on how to apply for a COR from BIR and DTI registration. Once ma-prepare mo na mga documents na ito, then you're now ready to open your store.
Na-excite kaming masimulan nyo na ang inyong business, especially ngayong summer season. Please send us photos kapag nakapagsimula na kayo. If you have any concerns or questions, please do not hesitate to send us an email at inJoyphilippines@gmail.com or comment down below.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel at inJoy Philippines Official.
You can also follow us on our TikTok and IG account at inJoyPH. See you soon!
And thanks for watching!